Hello there, good evening on my YouTube channel. All you need to know about the CX engines. You have seen in part 1 that I disassembly this engine. This part 3 or part 2, I really don't know, I don't care. So I make mere movies about it. Now we can remove the clutch. I made myself a special tool. And there it comes. This nut is okay, really nice. So I take the clutch in one piece out. This ring, there's a little bit tension on it, it springs outside. There isn't text or letter on it, so this side outside. Replace it always on the right way. If you don't do that, it will run loose. Okay, bearing. So, and a big ring. So, take it apart in one piece. Oil pump is out, no problems about that. Something is missing. Yes, there it is. I'm going to remove the clutch plate. I told you earlier, all those bolts and nuts I take off this engine, I will sandblast them and bring them to a special company that plates all those bolts and nuts brand new for me. Also the clutch plate, I let plate that again. Brand new thing, looks nice. When you reinstall all the parts in your engine, it looks very good. I told you earlier, this engine was a lot of burnt oil inside, all the black stuff. It's not the right oil for this engine. So nothing is prepared. I'm still working on this engine. Just what I do is almost in real time. All the movies that I made, they are not worked on. That is one taken shot. How do you explain that? So what you see is what you get. So I removed all the bolts and nuts. I should take the gearbox out, but that cannot on this time. You have to wait. You have to reinstall the rear cover, engine cover. So I will turn the engine on. Dirtiest part of all, but I want to explain to you something. Okay, first we're gonna remove. It's dripping out a lot of liquid. Big screwdriver, put it in place, that's the way to take it out, no problem. Don't use sealant, only this rubber gasket, replace it always with a new one, and you don't need sealant. That's enough, the rubber gasket, nothing more, nothing else. Then the water pump impeller, take it loose. Special nut. I also replate it. The copper ring beneath it, I throw them away. I take always a new one and be easy and gentle by removing this impeller. There is also a ring installed inside the impeller. It's a ceramic white ring. Throw it away. But this one is a special. Sorry, Sorry, it's my compressor. This one is a special steel ring. Clean it. I sandblast it. Clean it. Don't throw it away. Don't make another one. Use the original one. If you don't use it, the original one, you damage your camshaft or the engine. Normally, after a half year, I always replace the water pump seal. This one was a good one. I now killed it. So this is the black ceramic side, and I take it out, spring, throw it away, and then the rubber seal. It's still attached to the engine. It was a good one. Okay. You find always sealant inside your engine. Don't use it. All those channels are very small for a big engine like this. Remember, this engine produces about 50 horsepower. If I hope. Mostly 39, 45 horsepower. But it's still a very small radiator and very small water gouges, so be sure all is optimal. Now I'm going to demonstrate you how to remove the rear cover. I always use the chisel and a hammer, put it in place inside the gasket, give it a little gentle tap. I said gentle, always on the corners. And now, you don't want to kill the spring of your gear shifter, so beware of that. Don't look at this axle or prop shaft, how do you call it in England, America, I don't care. But that one, that has to stay in your engine. No, it's not coming at the moment. Oh, there it comes. And now you have to be sure you put your thumb on the gear shifter. I made almost a failure at that moment. And there it comes. And I look inside how much trouble there is. This one I will throw away. I put a new one in. I don't use the old ones anymore because they give me a lot of headaches. So, now the gear shifter. And I will explain. This little spring keeps the parts together so they don't vibrate. And when you remove the rear cover too fast and too hard, you will expand the spring and you kill it. And you don't use it any longer. It's not available more at the moment, so you have to install a different size, a different type. I'm missing a ring. I'm missing something. On this side of the gear shifter there should be a ring installed on this side. It's not there. I'm missing a part. Yes, it's not there. Don't worry, I have enough of those rings left. I see that a lot of often. Okay, that's correct. Okay, that's not normal, but I can repair it. One moment. Sometimes I make failures too. Don't worry, everybody makes failures, but that's the fun of it. I'm still removing parts. I really know where to put them later. For you, it may be difficult. For me, I don't care. Okay, it's still running. I thought it was stopped. Removing the flywheel, the starter spring and the starter gear. I always use an air wrench. Where is it? I have to clean my hands, sorry. I have to take some paper.